this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can download and install new application to your Samsung Crystal TV, 4K TV, could be any version, 55, 65, 75, 70, whatever. I have a 75-inch 4K Crystal Samsung TV in front of me, so let me show you. So in this case, your Samsung account that you see there, the corner is connected. If you don't have your account is connected, most probably you can't download anything. It always comes with a preloaded application. For example, you see I have HBO, Netflix, YouTube, many other application, and if I want to download something new, you can do that. You have to use this arrow. Here I'm pressing. See, go down, go more. Here you see when you go to the setting, don't go inside directly, go to this option. You see here, these are the application. You see apps, there you have to go, hit the enter. Okay, this is the application place of your Samsung TV. At the corner, this place you can see here your account, searching option, and the setting. Use the arrow key. You see when you hit that one, that is show your account is connected. Then you see app search, hit enter, go inside app search, type the application you want to download. For example, I type YouTube. You see all the application connected to the YouTube or similar as YouTube appear. I have already YouTube, or I don't know, I go at the app. Here you see YouTube, I already have this version, so I go to another application here, Historia, Realidad, or another type of any other application you want, for example Symphony or this version of YouTube. Hit enter to this application. As you see, install button is there. Go to the install option, hit enter. It's downloading. You can open directly from there, hit open, go inside. So the application is loading. It's very fast and very easy. You don't need to wait so much. You see YouTube, I don't know from what this is, the Russian YouTube, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Now you can come to the home. This is the home key. Here we go. Now the application we don't see at our home screen. So what you have to do, you have to go to here is this button. You see here at the top, the YouTube application appear. Go to that one, hit at the top arrow at the up one more time. There you see add to home screen, remove all. I hit add to home screen. Where you want to add, you can decide the place. I leave here. So good. So whenever you are at the home screen, I hit here. You can see my new YouTube or whatever I download, it should be here. It's very simple way you can install any application to your Samsung TV. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till then, bye bye.